What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. Today we are finally getting started on get going on with the whole maintenance thing. I told you guys it's going to be timing belt, timing components, metal head gasket, ARPs, all that good stuff. So I already pretty much got kind of started, removed the battery, some of the charge piping, some of that good stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep going, guys. We're gonna get right to it. And ooh, look at the DSM looking all clean. But yeah, guys, we're gonna go ahead and just jump into it and get started, and I'll catch you guys in a bit. Alrighty, guys, just a little update on the things that I'm taking off. This thing is so stock, has every single little bracket. Check out all the solenoids and all the vacuum lines, like all the stock location for all the emission stuff. So yeah, guys, it's pretty cool actually to see a DSM in this condition where, you know, everything is bone stock, like everything is where it's supposed to be, you know. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and keep pulling things off. I want to take off the intake manifold off, and then I'll keep going. Alrighty, guys, so I'm chugging along with this 2G DSM. I'm gonna go ahead and remove everything else that's in the way of the power steering, so I can remove all these belts, so I can take the timing belt off. And once the timing belt is off, I can go ahead and unbolt the cams and then, you know, do the head. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take off all these other little things like the radiator. I want to pull off the radiator so I can be able to get to the turbo, and then we should be good, guys. So let's get it. Alrighty, guys, so just a little update. This is where I am right now. As you can tell, all that oil right there, so you can the cam seals were seeping already, so you can see right there the head has some oil on it. So the cam seals were seeping already. There's some oil down here, and also there's some, like, if water was leaking, I'm not sure if maybe it was an oil pump already, but you can tell there's like some rust, like how it looks like when water has been sitting for a minute, or like if it's leaking. So yeah, guys, good thing we got to this now than later. It's just always better to get, you know, to it, since you don't want all this stuff leaking continuously. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this to top dead center, and then I can remove the timing belt and the cams, guys. Alrighty, guys, well, this head is pretty much ready to come off. Everything is off, and as you can see, this thing had been leaking for quite a bit of while now. I don't know if you guys can see all this build up of oil right here that's been there for a while. As you can see on the block itself, there's like a big pile, like it was leaking for a while. So good, like I said, good thing that we caught it now, and you know, it just didn't keep leaking. But yeah, you can tell on the block and on the water pipe itself and down there that it was leaking for a minute. But yeah, guys, this thing is ready to come off. I just gotta untorque the head bolts and she's ready to come off. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick, and I'll catch you guys in a bit. Alrighty, guys, so as I'm taking off these head bolts, I always use like a breaker bar to, you know, take off head bolts. I know these are stock head bolts and they're not supposed to be torn down, you know how you do ARPs, but even though I have an extension on it, and I literally just have one hand and these things are breaking loose. You heard that? Broke loose. Like I said, that's crazy. I expected them to be a little tighter than that. With one hand, I'm breaking them loose. Alrighty guys, check it out, man. This head gasket was busted, and then something came to my attention. Look at this. There's like a big chunk of, I don't know what inside this I don't know if it's dried up RTV or I don't know what it is, but it's just stuck in there. But man, this is crazy. Look at this. What the hell, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull that out. Like I said, this head gasket is busted, and man, a lot of weird things going on, but good thing she's here, and she's gonna get back on the road happy. Alrighty guys, so now that the head is off, that's got to go off to the machine shop and get nice and cleaned up. For now, what I'm gonna do next is I don't know if you guys remember Andy. This is Andy's block. So Andy, originally we were just gonna throw all this together, throw in his GSX as it was, and he was just gonna send it, but ended up turning out that you know what, he's just gonna do everything right and go all out. So he is gonna fully build this block. So I'm gonna once again take this mortar, just what's left on it, like the oil pump, the oil filter housing, the clutch. And I'm gonna leave it bare so we can go ahead and take it to the machine shop and we can get measurements so we can see what size pistons and what size bearings and all that good stuff we need to get, because he is gonna go all out with this mortar. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I don't know if you guys remember, the head is already fully built and the head is right here. So I don't know if you guys can see, but he has valve springs and retainers all done on this head. It's fresh, it's ready to go. Here are his cams. I believe I had showed him before. Brand new cams. Are his cams. I believe these are GSC2s, I believe. And he got his lifters are right here. So yeah guys, he's gonna just go all out with his car. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. This turbo, a buddy let me have it. Big shout out to Chuy. He let me have this turbo so I can throw it in my 1G. So I want to do a front facing manifold turbo for the DSM. Stay tuned for that. That's gonna be freaking cool. But anyways guys, like I was saying, I'm gonna go ahead and take this mortar apart, because I'm gonna take this to the machine shop. I'm gonna take that head to the machine shop. I'm gonna take this head to the machine shop because parts are starting to come in for the Evo. So I'm gonna also take this head and just get all that stuff done at once. Check out the Evo, looking fresh and fly. DSM's over there. But I'm gonna go ahead and knock this out real quick guys, and I'll catch you guys in a bit. Alrighty guys, well just like that, there it is. There you have it. Motor is all taken apart, and tomorrow this motor will be going to the machine shop to make sure we get all the measurements to check bore size, so we can order the pistons and the rods and the bearings and all that good stuff to make sure we have the correct size as far as pistons and the bearings. And so that is going to be it for the end of this video guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We have a bunch of things coming, so stay tuned. A bunch of more work and a lot of things going on, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys do not follow me on Instagram, please go follow me at 4G63Addict. Hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that like guys. Remember to go follow my new page at Addict's Garage. That's where I'll be posting more of people's cars, Andy's, and you know, everyone else's cars. So go follow that page again, Addict's Garage. And like always guys, thank you guys, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Have a good one.